What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Isaac Insights. Thank you so much for continuous support. Yes, and good people, I am back here in the village. We are here. Whenever you see me walking from this side, that is my parents' place. I am now going to my home, Wanikule nyumbani. And as you can see, we are almost harvesting. We thank God. I always tell you that sisi huku kwetu Mungu anatupenda. Unaona tumaindi ndio tumetoka. Tunataka kufukuza njaa kidogo. But we are here, specifically me, I'm here in the village. Just decided to take a little break because of course I have some functions that I have to attend to. But we thank God. The journey has been amazing. The journey of building people's home has been amazing. And the main one, building for parents. So this is my home, as you can see. Ukiingia kwangu inakaa namna hii. Nilipanda tumite hapa and it's amazing. Look at the environment. Iko sambamba. Niliambia kijana kanitengenezea hapa vizuri. So you look at everything. The iron sheets, as much as zilisha hepa zilirudi kwa kampuni, but it is an amazing affair. You look at this. It is a place to admire, and this is what I always fight for. When you see me telling you to build homes, I always pray to all of you to have such space. You see that space is very amazing, yeah? Hata kama sina yani hatujaweka cabros, but the environment looks amazing. And even for me, when I come back here, I feel relaxed. Nikiangalia ututumiti, as much as tudogo ni tuchache, but there is some beauty I always enjoy, specifically when I'm on this side of the world. Let me just update you what is popping here at home. Maize, mahindi ndio hiyo nayo inaendelea kukua. Ni kidogo tu. We always plant them for domestic use. By the way, in western part of Kenya, most people always plant maize for domestic use. That is why you will see hata sisi tumepanda tu kidogo. Sawa. So the place is here, very amazing, but we thank God for this amazing journey. So today maybe let me talk about online. People are building, and we are mostly getting information online. Even me, my business, I will say, watu wengi wananipata kupitia kwa mtandao. But there are some little cautions that I would like to put or to tell people, so that as you plan to build your house, some of the things that you need to also take care, specifically to our brothers and sisters who are out, and even those who are in the country, you need to be cautious about online. Online has, as much as it is good, even to me it's very good. Those people I'm working for, wananipata kupitia pale kwa mtandao. However, mambo ya watu kugongwa online imekuwa mingi sana, and we need to take caution. And I will be specific. When it comes to material, it is better, or it is good that we embrace our hardwares. As much as online imekuwa tamu ni mzuri, if you are not sure, please just consult. And that is what I always say in most of my videos, that don't go online. Get someone has written that I am supplying Simba cement for 560 if you are buying over 100 bags, and then we deliver free. Most people are falling for that. And for me, I will advise today that if you are outside there and you are planning to build your house, vitu kama simiti, as much as in your nearby hardware, zinakaa kuwa expensive. Ukiangalia, unaona sasa wanauza 900 na mtu mahali amesema anaweza nunua na